We are going to demonstrate two input functions, input start, input reverse. Those functions can be fully controlled by external systems, such as PLC. This application is applicable to all automation systems. We are going to use this demo tooling to demonstrate how we operate these functions. Once the external system confirms the input signal of start, the signal will be sent out, and the driver could be run automatically without pressing the trigger. Second, reverse. Once the external system confirms the order of input reverse, the driver could be switched to reverse automatically, and there's no need to adjust the driver itself. This controller box has three signal output functions: start, brake, and shut off, reverse. When the screwdriver is running, the start signal will be sent out. Once the torque has been reached, the screwdriver will be shut off and the brake signal will be sent out. We now switch the screwdriver to reverse. When the screwdriver is running at reverse direction, the reverse signal will be sent out. This signal controller box also has slow start functions. First, we have to switch the side power on and use two of your fingers to long press both buttons for 2 seconds to enter the first mode, RC mode. RC mode means the time of slow start. Press either up or down buttons to adjust the time value from 0.0 to 9.9 seconds. In this mode, we set up to 0.3. Once set up the first mode, long press both buttons for another 1 second. And now we enter to SP mode. SP means the speed of the slow start. In the same way, press either up or down button to adjust the speed value from arrow 0 to arrow 9. Arrow 0 means full speed. Arrow 1 means 30% speed. Arrow 9 means 70% speed. In this mode, we set up to arrow 1, 30% speed. Once set up the second mode, long press both buttons for another 1 second. And now we enter to UT mode. UT means set up the max operation time. And the screwdriver will count down to 0 and then shut off. In the same way, adjust the time value from 0.0 to 9.9 seconds. In this mode, we set up to 0.8. And once the last step has been complete, and long press both buttons for another 1 second. And now the whole setup procedure has been finished. The first 0.3 seconds is slow start. As you can hear, the speed could be very slow, and the screwdriver will be stopped after 0.8 seconds, even if you keep pressing the trigger. Further, there are two SW functions, adjust by the side switch. The first function, SW1, the Tiger Reach Confirm, also known as Once Confirm. We now turn the first switch on. After the operator finishes their job, they need to remove the working pieces out of the station and replace with the new one. The screwdriver won't be able to run unless the new pieces being put in the right positions. The second function, SW2, the brake signal hold time, also known as the brake release functions. When the SW2 remains off, the brake signal output will be held until next going forward operations. When the SW2 remains on, The brake signal output will be off instantly once release the trigger.